Hello everyone. Today we are talking about how artificial intelligence startups are doing really well, even when many other tech startups are struggling. Struggle for many tech startups. For the past 2 years, many tech startups that are not making profit have had to cut costs, sell themselves, or shut down. AI startups are thriving. Unlike many other tech startups, those focused on AI have been doing great. The AI boom that started in late 2022 has been a bright spot in the otherwise tough startup environment. Huge investment in AI. From April to June, investors poured 27.1 billion into AI startups in the United States. This amount is nearly half of all the startup funding in the US during that period. Overall, US startup raised $56 billion, which is 57% more than the previous years and the highest in 2 years. Big AI deals. In May, CoreWeave, a cloud computing service provider for AI companies, raised $1.1 billion and got an additional 7.5 billion in debt, valuing the company as $19 billion. Scale AI, which provide data for AI companies, raised $1 billion, valuing it at $13.8 billion. XAI, founded by Elon Musk, raised $6 billion, valuing it at $24 billion. These big funding rounds have increased the overall number and the value of deals in the AI industry, according to Kyle Stanford, a research analyst at the PitchBook. That's all for today update on AI startup. Keep watching for more tech news explained in easy language. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.